questions, but I want you to know all the things I put on the list. I really don't mind if you give them a miss, 'cause all I want now is for Dad to come home, so Mom won't have to spend Christmas alone. Dear, dear Santa, put a rocket on your Santa Claus sleigh and get yourself on your Santa Claus way, 'cause I can't wait, no I can't wait for Christmas to be here. Santa, I've been good every day of the year. Shout it out to all your reindeer and bring some Christmas hope and cheer. Dear Santa, dear, dear Santa, dear Santa Claus. Dear, dear Santa, I know that it's mad. It's the busiest Christmas you've ever had. So much trouble in the world, and you've got to get to every boy and girl.